Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily delete all your saved posts in Instagram app in one go. Friends, please put your likes below the video, be sure to write your comments and also subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get to our topic. And let's say you want to see your saves on your Instagram page. To do that, you'll need to go to your page. And then on the top right, click on the three dots. Then select Saved, or if you have a slightly different menu, then you'll need to open Settings. And then in Settings, you'll find the Saved section right at the top. So when you get to your saves, click on them, and you'll see all the posts that you've previously saved. Now, in order to delete them all at once, you will need to click on the three dots at the top, and then click Select. And now you can either manually select all saved posts, or click Select All, after which you will need to delete them. As you can see, immediately all the saved publications are instantly deleted from your Instagram page with this method. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please put your likes, write comments, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.